With AMCO, you have the choice of two different wireless alarm systems, the Compact and the Premier. Both connect to our unique LiveTalk monitoring service, giving you the best 24/7 monitored security designed for your specific needs at a sensible price. The Compact is our standard wireless alarm system, allowing you to easily set and unset your system using a smartphone app, keypad or fob. Perfect for average-sized properties, the Compact comes with pet-friendly PIR movement sensors and door contacts, along with a key fob that not only allows you to set the system, but also acts as a mobile panic button, so you're always a click of a button away from our 24/7 emergency LiveTalk monitoring service. The Premier is our premium hybrid alarm system, including both wireless and wired sensor options, along with multiple equipment customizations like different keypad designs and sensor colors. The Premier is a modular system, meaning you can easily upgrade and add new security devices in the future, with the ability to expand from 32 zones to as many as you need. Modules include a smart alarm app, smart plugs, along with wireless and wired sensor expander modules. Customers choose the Premier for its advanced features, expandability and flexibility of both design and functionality, with innovations such as the micro-shock sensor, which can be discreetly added to valuables around the property to alert you when they're moved, even when the alarm isn't set. Both the Compact and Premier come with AMCO's unique LiveTalk monitoring as standard, with the ability to add additional security devices on top. For example, monitored smoke detectors, panic buttons, and live viz security cameras. Talk to our team to get a custom quote for your property. We can do most quotes on the phone in less than 10 minutes. So give us a call.